Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is actually pull our data. I'm going to show you my process. There may be a faster process out there. I think this one's pretty good, and I think you'll find it helpful. So let's get started pulling the data. So first thing we're going to do is search. I already know that the subject was not listed, so we're just going to search for our comps. And then 1, 2, 3, 1. And you may have to search these individually in your own MLS. Different MLSs are going to do different things. So in this case, we have this function here in this MLS, and I feel it's pretty good. Okay, so let's print our MLS. This is Comp 1. So we're going to print the full report. And then we go to print, and instead of printing it to paper, we print to Qt PDF. So you can right click and set it as the default printer. It's very easy to set it back, and this way you don't have to search and find it every time. So let's go ahead and print, and we are going to print it to this folder here. This is just the folder I use when I'm pulling this data, and we'll assemble it all there, and I'll show you how to do that in a minute. So this is Comp 1 MLS. And you'll see why I'm printing these individually as we get to the end. Okay, and we're printing it to Qt PDF. As you can see, this is the folder. We're going to print. It's going to be Comp 2 MLS, and it's just going to takes a minute, and it's just going to throw it in there. Didn't open it up. We don't need to see it. Same thing, Comp 3 MLS. Okay, and I've already pulled the tax cards, so these will be easy. Oh, another thing. See here, this button. If you have this available in your MLS, click that, because what that does is that shows the full history, and the person who's receiving the data would want to see all available history. Okay, so this is Comp 1 tax. Okay, this is Comp 2 tax. This is Comp 3 tax. Okay, so now we have MLS and tax cards for the comps printed. And let's search, let's pull the subject tax. Okay, there it is. Okay, subject tax. Okay, now let's go do our neighborhood search. Okay, and the effective date is April 5th, 08. So we're going to do April 5th, 08, 1 year back through April 5th, 07. Subject neighborhood, which in this case is a half-mile radius. And then let's see what we get. 52 comps. Great. That would be a lot to print and fax. But we're not worried about that. We don't have to worry about paring it down, because whether we print 50 or 150, it's going to be the same amount of button clicks for us. So, in their request, first thing here is our sample order number, and this would be the document that comes with your order. So let's save this. To our folder. Okay, and we know that there was no MLS for the subject, but we do have tax cards and MLSs for all of the comps. And I'm just gonna cut and paste my search parameters in there. So let's print our comps. Just going to print the Agent 1 page. When I print the report MLSs, I do the full report. When I print the CMA MLSs, I just click the 1 page. Okay, we're going to print it to Qt. And there's a lot of pages here, so it's going to take a minute to print. And this is going to be CMA MLS. And you can come up with your own labels. This is just how I label them. And that's going to take a minute. So now, another report we're going to run is our 1 line. And these can actually be run, these two can be run together. I am printing them separately so that you can, many MLSs won't allow you to do that. So that's why I'm printing them separately. Okay, so we want a 1-line report. And there's our 1-line report. Sale date, some pertinent data. Okay, we're printing it to Qt. And we're going to call this CMA 1-line. Okay, now let's get our mapped listings. And there's my map, my CMA map. Also prints another 1-liner identifying where they are. So let's print this. Printing it to Qt. And we're calling this CMA map. Okay, on to the next step. I'll show you how to assemble all this data and send it in.